The Federal Executive Council has approved over 10.7 billion naira for the design, manufacture and supply of the 4 power substations in Damaturu, Potiskum in Yobe State, as well as Biu and Maiduguri in Borno State, to boost power supply in the country. State House Correspondent Aliyu Kabir reports on this and other resolutions of the FEC meeting.
The Federal Executive Council meeting, which was presided over by the Vice President, Professor Biu and Maiduguri, was held virtually with far-reaching decisions. Briefing newsmen shortly after the meeting, the Minister of Power, Saleh Maman, told journalists that the 2 memos were submitted and were all approved.
1. Approve the payment of the claims and the variation of offshore and onshore costs of the existing contract for the construction of 1 by 150 MVA 331, 32, 33 kV substation at Damaturu and 1 by 330 kV line by extension at Gombe.
The Council has also approved the contract for the supply of 4 fabricated substations of power transformers with complete accessories for deployment to Damaturu and Potiskum in Yobe State, as well as Biu and Maiduguri in Borno State, for the sum of about 10.7 billion naira for the whole projects. FEC has also approved a memo by the Minister of Finance, Budget and National Planning, Zainab Shamsuna Ahmad, of 316 million naira for enhancing the performance of what she called Project Lighthouse, which serves as a data engine that collates, integrates and analyzes data from revenue-generating agencies in order to create insightful information for improved decision-making. The project, the minister said, was conceptualized in 2019 and has so far aggregated about 5.2 trillion naira worth of debt for the country and recovered about 50 billion naira.
Project Lighthouse has brought together data from the FRS, the Nigerian Customs Service, the Corporate Affairs Commission, as well as data from BVN in one central point. We also were able to get data from 3 states, land registry data from the FCT, from Kaduna State, as well as from Lagos State, and other states will also be joining in the second phase.
The Ministry of Aviation had a memorandum that was approved, and this is a contract for the provision of airport management solution for the international airports of Abuja and that of Lagos and Kano, Port Harcourt and also Enugu, in the sum of 10,594,057,618 naira and 20 kobo, and to be completed in 12 months.
2 memos presented by the FCT Ministry were approved. The first memo is the approval for the contract for the provision of engineering infrastructure to a section of Asokoro district known as Abubakar Koko Street. The second contract approved is the contract for the construction of a 14.7 kilometer dedicated power line from the existing newly completed Kukuaba 132/33 kVA transmission station in Kukuaba district of the FCT.
The Federal